Khandelwal, advocate practicing here at Indore in intellectual property rights. And since last 2 years, I have been with various organizations. This is in September last year, I started my own firm that's known as Edge Legal here at Indore. I have done my LLM in intellectual property rights here also, from here only. But the thing is, when I went through the syllabus of the diploma course of law seco, it was quite interesting, quite good. No one teaches the practical aspects of intellectual property, as it's a very unknown field and yet interesting field to many people here. So as I chose intellectual property rights to know more about intellectual property rights, this course seemed to be very good enough and quite practical. It will be helping me. It's helping me right now also, and it will be helping me in future also. Thing I used was I had a litigation case where I had to fight for my client whose design was copyrighted and not was registered under Design Act. So law seco teachers and law seco faculties also quite helped me in that. I had a conversation with Abhyuday sir, I had a conversation with Ritisha ma'am, and then they helped me with that. And the material available is also quite awesome, so I have to go through it, and I got the answers to many questions which were not easily known to people. Next thing, if I go with the course and I talk about the media and entertainment part also, then the agreements like franchisee agreements, endorsement agreements, they are quite new to a place like Indore. Indore is still a developing city, and people here, advocates here, do not know about various aspects, various legal aspects to be introduced in those agreements. So yet again, we have that professional guidance for those kinds of agreements, and clients are quite happy with that. Like recently, our patent session started. So I'm not from a science background, so I never thought for like going into patent search or anything. But when I started attending those sessions right now, it's like being a law faculty or being in a law also, being a lawyer also, I can do quite research into patents, though not I cannot go for registration, but I can go for searches, and that's also a very important job for that search. So patent search can be done by me as well, by any law by any law seco student now. If they have attended the classes for the patents that's going on at present, so they can now go for patent search and that. Then apart from that, Ritisha ma'am, when I took classes for like media and entertainment, quite digital aspects and technical issues of media laws came into view, so it was quite good. These kind of courses to students who have just completed their law and yet are not able to decide, or yet are like they have decided they want to go into a certain field but yet are not able to go into that field by taking up any kind of course, like doing as I said, I have done my LLM in intellectual property rights, but I have not learned all these aspects of law, all these practical aspects of law until today, apart from law seco only. So I'll want them to take up these kind of courses so they directly jump into the field with quite a good knowledge, good amount of knowledge, with the faculties helping them at any point of time, at any with any kind of issues arising with that subject, whatever course you enroll into. Also, the advocates who are young and want to explore various fields are should take up these kind of courses because it helps. Today is the era of specialization. Being just a lawyer is not fulfilling job, you need to specialize into a certain field, and thus if you want to specialize into a certain field, law seeker courses are best for that. So I just want like suggest my fellow mates to take up these kind of courses to have. I mean, there are many courses, not only intellectual property or media and entertainment, but various kinds of courses designed with law seco are not available anywhere in India on online portal or anywhere. So it's quite good if you want to take up these kind of courses. You want to uh, explore the areas of your specializations and that like that. In like 4 to 5 months, I enrolled in December batch of 2019, and whenever, though I'm not able to frequently complete the assignments and all, or there's no routine, I can't say that, but whenever I need anyone, any kind of help from any kind of faculty in any area of specialization of intellectual property, the law seco team is always there to help me, like just a call away, and they have helped me. Abhyuday sir has helped me, and like in my own personal cases, I have taken the help of them, and there's nothing like you will be earning because of that and nothing like that. It's just as a student teacher relationship, rather a more friendly relationship, and everyone is there to share whatever they know about that. So it was quite good.